So I guess that's like the latest noise that these fugitives have to listen for, is the sound of the drone, Donald Schweitzer. Wah.
Well, Vinny, I think that the use of the drones are going to be used more and more, and they'll go as far as the imagination will let us go, and as far as the courts and the public will allow us to go. You know, they could be used for surveillance. They could be used for entering into dangerous situations, like where there's shots fired, search and rescue, forced entries into homes, or you know, there's just no limitation. It's just really a matter of what the public and the courts want. But in this situation, I love how he didn't have a clue until he looked up, and then he decided to light a cigarette.
Bingo.
And wait for the cops to come.